It is it is midnight, and I have decided to do a thing. I have started making iced green tea, or whatever tea, mainly green tea right now, using a French press and just sticking it in the refrigerator. Yes, I know. We don't use the French press often enough. Moses actually has been drinking French press coffee lately. So I should say, actually, we do use it, but we don't use it every day. And so we're going to do this. I made this yesterday. I made the tea yesterday, and I drank it, and then I used the same tea leaves with new water and made it again, and it was just as good. So I think when it's just cold brew, you can do that because you're not cooking the tea leaves. So you're not getting all of the essence out by boiling it. I mean, I think cold brew lets you go slower. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm wrong about that. These are the teas that I'm working with. You can't buy these anymore, but it's just tea. The company went under like all companies do at some point. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you do. Okay. I think it's 3 tablespoons. Pretty much the whole bag. And I'm going to mix another one in here. Let's see, we got ginger candy. Oh, my throat. That's another reason I'm drinking tea, is because I have a little bit of a throat issue that's bothering me. Well, not a throat issue, it's just that sinuses from burning the freaking firewood. Let's go with this, the organic bouquet. This has rose, citrus, jasmine, lemon myrtle, orange peel. Very cool. Alright, throw some of these in there. Ooh! Ooh! I can already smell the difference. Holy camoly. That one's going to be a good one. Well, I just poured it into the floor, or on the table. Whatever. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see, it says 4 level teaspoons per cup of water, so we're going to do 3 tablespoons, because that sounds good. Oh, beautiful. Look at the nice tea. Considering this expired like 3 years ago, that's pretty good tea. I don't know how long tea lasts. It is starting to look a bit shattered from where it was before, but it's still better than what you'll buy at most stores. Alright, maybe 1 more. And then fill it up with water. I've also got to get all these pieces that I spilled here. I'm just not a big green tea, hot tea fan. It's just a lot. It gets strong when it's hot. And if I drink a hot beverage, it sort of has to be coffee. That sort of just is. And then I drink cold iced tea. I don't know if that's a southern thing from Georgia, southern, or what it is, but that's how I feel. Alright, so these all fell on the counter. We're going to add those back in because I clean the counters now. I used to not be that good about that, but I am now. Oh, my battery's going to die. Look. Oh, that's going to be a gorgeous tea. Where's my water? Before the battery dies. That's all. Stir with a chopstick. Get all of the flowers wet. And then always keep a spare wooden chopstick from your favorite fast food takeout place. Gotta keep a couple. Good for things. Alright. Now we have tea going in the fridge. Oh, good. Alright, and then tomorrow I'll press it in the morning and we'll have tea first thing in the morning. Like delicious tea.